Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can extract zip file on PC. So basically it is important to extract a zip file on PC since it allows user to access the actual content compressed within the file. Since zip files are commonly used to bundle multiple files or folders into a single smaller package, making them easier to store, transfer, or download. So now to start extracting a file, the first thing that we need to do is to simply choose here the file or the zip file that we want to extract. So I'm going to choose here under the documents this one that has a name file of kick your style. So all you need to do is simply click on it or right click on your mouse, and after that it will show you a pop-up window with a variety option on it. But to proceed extracting all of the file in here in our zip, and in all of these options, kindly proceed by clicking extract all button or this that has label T2. And after clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to simply find the destination. Or if you want to specifically find your own file that you want to install, just click the browse button right here. And upon clicking on it, you should be able to be directed or show you this pop-up window that all you need to do is to simply find the location that you want to store the zip file. Now after selecting, all you need to do is to click the extract button below, which are not visible at this point. But once done, you should be able to see the result of all of your file within that zip file. So basically, this process is especially useful for organizing files efficiently, saving disk space, and reducing upload or download times. Without extracting, the files remain inaccessible in their compressed state, which limits functionality and prevents full utilization. But overall, that is just basically how you can extract zip files on PC.